In this video, I'll show you how to create a Stripe payment link. First, open your web browser and go to Stripe. Sign into your Stripe account. If you do not have an account yet, create one and complete the account setup process before continuing. Once you're inside the Stripe dashboard, look at the menu on the left side. Find and click the option called Payment Links. This section allows you to create shareable payment pages without needing to build a website or write any code. Next, click the Create Payment Link button. Stripe will ask you to choose what you want to sell. You can either select an existing product or create a new one. If you're creating a new product, enter the product name, add a price, and choose the currency you want to accept. After that, review the payment details. Make sure the product name, price, and currency are correct. If needed, you can add additional products, allow customers to adjust quantities, or set up recurring payments for subscriptions. Now, scroll through the available settings. You can customize the checkout experience by collecting customer information such as email addresses, phone numbers, or shipping addresses. Depending on your business needs, you can also enable promotional codes and adjust other checkout options. Next, review the payment methods that Stripe will accept. In most cases, Stripe automatically enables the payment methods available for your account and region. Make sure everything looks correct before moving forward. Once you're ready, click Create Link. Stripe will generate a unique payment link for your product or service. After that, copy the payment link. You can share this link anywhere you like, including email messages, text messages, social media posts, websites, online stores, or invoices. Anyone who opens the link will be taken directly to Stripe's secure checkout page where they can complete the payment. Now, test the link yourself by opening it in a new browser tab. Verify that the product information, pricing, and checkout process work as expected. If you notice any mistakes, return to the payment link section in Stripe and update the settings. Finally, start sharing your payment link with customers. You can track payments, view customer information, and monitor transactions directly from your Stripe dashboard. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a Stripe payment link. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.